For in Igbo Spiriuality, my children, gather close and listen. Do you see this staff I hold? This is the foe, and it is more than just a piece of wood. It carries the voice of truth, the weight of justice, and the blessing of our ancestors. In our land, when a man holds foe, he must speak only the truth. If he lies, the spirits will see his heart and expose him. That is why we say, Ofo na ogu bu ike onye Igbo. Truth and innocence are the strength of our people. The elders and priests use foe when they make decisions, because it shows they stand with those who came before us. It is also raised in prayers and sacrifices, calling our ancestors and the gods to witness what we say. If a promise is sealed with foe, no one dares break it, for the ancestors themselves stand guard. When quarrels rise in the village, foe is brought out so that justice may be done. Its presence reminds everyone that fairness must rule, not falsehood. And when one is innocent, foe becomes a shield, protecting them and calling down justice against wrongdoers. So, my children, remember, the foe is not just an object. It is a sacred bridge between us, the gods, and our ancestors. As long as we live by truth and righteousness, the power of foe will always stand with us. Kindly share our story and follow our page. If you enjoyed our story, ka odigodum